Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do a simple hairstyle that I thought of, and then I decided that I'm just going to do it and show it to you guys. So first up, I'm going to start off with my spray bottle of water just to keep my hair moisturized and massaging it in. And let me tell you, when you massage your hair, it promotes hair growth. Yes, that's what you do when you massage the roots. So now I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner and repair cream from Cantu. It's my favorite. I've said it before. It has helped me to grow my hair, and I have a less dry scalp since I've been using this thing. I know when you use it, it makes your hair white, but at the end of the day, when you're finished combing it and all, especially when you have tied it down, it doesn't look white anymore. So I'm massaging it in my scalp, and now I am going in with a part in the center of my hair, one straight line, and then I'm gonna be securing it with my clips. I can't find one of my butterfly clips. I know this is irresponsible, but I promise, and I know it's somewhere, but I just didn't have the time to look for it. And now I'm parting my hair, and then I'm gonna go in with an easy and simple flat twist. When you twist your hair, you should always ensure that you twist it all the way out to the end so you can keep your hair ends and not lose them. And I'm gonna be doing the same thing to the other side. Then I'm gonna be securing that. Okay, and now I am going in with my detangling comb so my twist doesn't look all bumpy and lumpy. And now I'm going in with my flat twist. I like doing flat twist on my hair because I realized that it gives me less breakage. I was told that that was the best twist for my hair because I have brittle dry hair and sometimes it's very easy to break. So flat twist is one of the best for me right now. I don't know about anyone else, but maybe you can try it and see the results. But I know that I'm seeing results from flat twist. So I'm going in with my detangling comb, and I'm detangling my hair. Then I'm going in with the brush, and then now I'm securing the style with the rubber band, brushing it in. I'm using bobby pins to hold my hair down because it's short. It cannot be caught in the back where I catch it up. Now I'm going in with that clip because I want my hair to be all fluffy in the back and not small. I'm not going to catch the clip all the way together. I'm just going to put it halfway. It's not closed all together. I wish I could turn around and show you guys, but I was not sure about the footage, how it was going to be like. I'm still working on that. Okay, so I'm going to secure the clip now with a rubber band. I took the rubber band out that I used to secure my hair. So now I'm just fluffing it out because I want it to be all fluffy at the back. And my hair is short. This is why I close the clip halfway. If I close the clip full way, then my hair will be at the back would be much smaller and looking much shorter. So I want to have this result. I want it to actually look more fluffier, but that's just the length of my hair, and I appreciate it for where it is. So I'm just gonna have to work with it and that length. So now I'm going in with some eco gel, and I'm slicking down my edges. And now I'm gonna be doing it on the other side. So I'm slicking down my edges, and I feel like I'm gonna leave a little beading at the side. That's what I call it. That's what I know it as, you guys, beading. If you know of any other word that it is called, you can put it in the comment below. Please don't be afraid to comment and tell me what you think about my hairstyle. I will appreciate your honest opinion. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Bye.